Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we tell you about the 100 Years' War. The 100 Years' War, 1337 to 1453, was a series of armed conflicts between the kingdoms of England and France during the late Middle Ages. It originated from disputed claims to the French throne between the English House of Plantagenet and the French royal House of Valois. Over time, the war grew into a broader power struggle involving factions from across Western Europe. Fueled by emerging nationalism on both sides, the 100 Years' War was one of the most significant conflicts of the Middle Ages. For 116 years, interrupted by several truces, 5 generations of kings from 2 rival dynasties fought for the throne of the dominant kingdom in Western Europe. The war's effect on European history was lasting. Both sides produced innovations in military technology and tactics, including professional standing armies and artillery, that permanently changed warfare in Europe. Chivalry, which had reached its height during the conflict, subsequently declined. Stronger national identities took root in both countries, which became more centralized and gradually rose as global powers. 1. The term, 100 Years' War, was adopted by later historians as a historiographical periodization to encompass related conflicts, constructing the longest military conflict in European history. The war is commonly divided into 3 phases separated by truces: the Edwardian War, 1337 to 1360, the Caroline War, 1369 to 1389, and the Lancastrian War, 1415 to 1453. Each side drew many allies into the conflict, with English forces initially prevailing. The House of Valois ultimately retained control over France, with the previously intertwined French and English monarchies thereafter remaining separate.